やマジで真っ白になった、86はかっこいいよね。めちゃくちゃかっこいい。次はさっきビビデから連絡があって、今組み立ってると。ドアをまたつけたり、トランクの部分をまたつけたりで、それ組み立ってからこの黒を塗るということで、とりあえず近くなので、チェックしてみたいと思います。ところで皆さん見ましたでしょうか。ほら、あとわずかしか残ってないので、86の限定 T シャツですよ。かっこいいです。前と後ろにも、印刷されてるのでめっちゃかっこいいですよ。かっこいいです。そしてあとほら、大人気なサムズアップのシート、ベルト、クッションですね。めっちゃいいですよ。右左はちゃんとセットで、販売させていただいておりますので、それも Amazon と Steve'sPOV.com チェックしてね。My man Ricky! What's up? 車はどこなんだろうな。今日はどこに入ってるのかな。この中なのかな。リッキーとチャードが大好きなんでね、いつも笑顔なんだよ。Hey man! What's up? Always smiling. Oh, another guy always smiling. What's up, man? How are you? Hey, I want to go look at the cars. Is it in here with Chad?
No, it's over there. It's in the booth.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we're going to start putting the lines on to paint the black.
Yes.
So we're here to grab a rocker so we can test fit it.
All right.
Make sure we get the line right.
Cool. Well, can I join you and head into the booth?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. All right, Ben.
Yes, sir.
In the booth. Hey, my main man. How are you? What's up? Nice to see you. Hello, Rockstar. How are you?
Hey,
what's up? Thumbs up. Dude, I just stopped that in the booth. I took a look at the car. I gotta tell you, it's so beautiful. It's just how it's coming together. So many people kept asking me, Rich, they said, man, that paint looks like it's wet, like it's soft. Like you just want to reach into the screen and touch it. And a lot of people love the pearl that we chose, man. Right on with the color.
Yes.
Looks like they're getting ready for the black to go on next.
Yes.
Cool, tomorrow morning. Nice. I can't wait, man. Well, I brought you guys something. I'm so appreciative of my relationship with you and getting to know you and Ben and Ricky and just everybody, man. And the whole group, Chad and Arturo in the booth, man, and everybody. The girl here at the, what's her name?
Lindsay.
And Lindsay and Arturo and Chad. I mean, everybody, man. You guys are awesome. I want to bring you few small gifts as a token of my appreciation to you guys and everything you're doing. So hang on, I'm gonna grab them real quick and I'm gonna be right back.
Awesome.
All right, man. First of all, we got to crown you with official POV
Yes.
hat. I got one for you right there. This is the inside edition, the inside crew, meaning the Circle of Trust edition hat. Not available to the general public, so only you, Chad, and the guys right here are getting one of those.
Thank you.
Plus, we got you hot off the press. We got you guys and everybody here, POV and Co. Plus the thumbs up keychains for your thing right there. We got those in a couple of different colors. And I brought you guys some stickers too. Let's see. Bunch of POV stickers, thumbs up, Steve's POV stuff for you and the guys.
Yes,
man.
appreciate it,
And
Steve.
spread the positive message. That's what it's all about. You guys are awesome, man.
Thank you.
Really happy. Can't wait to see the black getting on the car
Me
next.
too. I'm super pumped.
Nice. Chad, what's up, man? Been looking for you. Where you been hiding? Over here. Well, I got you something, man. I know you always wear that kind of cool hat, but I thought this would look a lot cooler on you, man, going forward.
Man, thank you.
Change that hat out, bro, fast. We gotta see let me see what you look like with the PO.
Pro, huh?
The Bass Pro's all right, but we're gonna advertise for something a little better. Yeah, you're official, baby. Woohoo! Yo, there's Ricky too. Ricky! Yo, come here, man. I forgot to give you something before. For your hard work, brother. This is This is the Circle of Trust hat right here, man. You're in. Got some stickers for you too and a bunch of other stuff. And how about a keychain, brother, for you? Thumbs up always.
Thank you.
I love your attitude. You're a great guy, man.
You too.
Thank you. Thank you. このラインが大事なんだよね。どこに黒を塗るのか。ちょっとやっぱり車パンダ仕様のパンダトレイの仕様そのものによって微妙に違いがあるんで今あっちゃんに、確認、取ってます。あっちゃんの領収これがねパパがまた間違えて下手にここだよって言ってで やってしまってね大変なことになるので一応待っててもらってます、あっちゃんの確認待ちという感じです。こういう風にやっていきましょうという指示待ちです。ビッグボスからの指示待ちです。Rich, all I said is, man, if we don't get this line right, the kid's gonna go absolutely ballistic. So the kid's gonna go bonkers. The big boss will be mad. So listen, we're gonna nail this. I'm waiting for him to get back to me. I'm gonna get to you, and we're gonna make sure we tape it once and tape it right.
Yes, sir.
Right? おはようございます。翌日ですね。あ、車はブースに入ってますね。これから黒、向きが変わったんだよな。昨日反対だったのに変わりました。これはペインターさんがいるんでちょっと中に入って覗きましょう。 Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Big smile early in the morning for you.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Ooh, I smell paint.
Yes.
What do we do here? You got something, you already started painting?
No, I just working with the lines right now.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
No, the mask, you still gonna mask now?
Oh, yes.
Aha. Didn't get it done yesterday, huh?
Yeah, a little masking job.
It's a lot of masking, huh? Well, we gotta get that. We know where that black line's going now, right?
Yes.
All right. So this stripe is very important. Let's go ahead and get this stripe laid on. I think you know what we're doing. Nice. Nice.
This is the hard part.
Woo! All right. Nice job. I think you got it, man. Well done. All right, man. Looks like you know what we need to do. I gotta get going. I look forward to coming back and seeing this thing looking like a panda bear. White and black.
Yes.
Like a panda. All right. Good luck. We'll see you later.リビルに戻ってきました。車はもうブースに入ってないようなんでまたこの中に戻ったのかな。覗きたいですね。どんどんパンダ仕様になっていってるんじゃないのかな。まあ分かりますけどね。写真送ってもらったんで昨日の夜。でもこれから生で初めて見てみます。Oh, there's my man working hard as always. Hello there.
What's up?
How are you, my friend? Ah, new project today, huh? A little date. Uh-huh. Somebody went a little too fast, huh? Oops. It goes quick. Don't always stop as fast, though, huh? Oops. Alrighty, man. Hey, am I gonna be surprised? I can't wait. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! よくできたかな。パパは何もしてないけど、ちゃんと担当をさせてもらってるので、いい感じに出来上がってきてるんだよ、はっちゃん。ね、生で見れなくて、ね、寂しいかもしれないんだけど、すごくいい感じです。これからバンパーも、そしてモールなどなどの、あと組み立て、は残ってるんだけど、めちゃくちゃもう想像を超える、ぐらいのすごい、出来上がりですね。サムズアップですね。もう言葉ないです。めっちゃいいですね。嬉しいです。あっちゃんも嬉しいかな。次はバンパーのなんか仕上げ中らしいんだけど。Hey, Ricky, my man, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Nice to see you, sir.
Good to see you too. How's everything
Going
going?
well, man. The car looks so good. It is incredible. And I imagine the bumpers are up next, huh?
Yes. We're focusing on your stuff tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
All day tomorrow, huh? Look forward to it. I'm gonna have to come. Look at that bumper, man. Wow, Ricky, man, these bumpers are looking good, dude. These bumpers. Now, what's next? Tomorrow or so, guys are gonna spray these, do the black lines on these.
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. You want to give a shout out to the kid? He's over in Georgia right now, Atlanta, GA. Man, when he sees this video, sees the car and all the work that's being done, I think he's gonna be a little upset he can't be here with us right now. But school first, right?
Yes, sir.
School first. All right, Ricky. We'll see you soon, my man. Have a good day. このデフューザー、サイドのデフューザーとサイドモールもこれも明日ペンキの予定になってるのかな。これで終わりかな、ペンキは。ビビから7がありました。これからバンパーを塗装するということで、戻りましょう。見てみたいよね。バンパーだけがバンパーとモールなどボネットまだ黒になってなかったので、これ最後の黒の塗装になりますね。帰ってきました。How'd it go, man?
Oh, beautiful.
Good? With you in charge, of course, it's gonna go good. All right, ready? Ricky, you got the other piece back here, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. I know it's a little, oh man, oh wow. Well, this I saw yesterday. Oh, look at those bumpers, man. Even in the dark. Look at that black and that white.
Well, unfortunately, in this light, it don't really do the black.
Give me a little light right there, Ricky. Let's see. Oh, there you go. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah, that's what we were, oh my God, look at that pearl. Look at that. That is gorgeous, dude. Unreal. Can we see that on the hood too?
Yeah.
Real quick, cool. Oh my God, there it is. Oh, look at that pearl.
Beautiful.
Oh, that is hot. Look at that sparkle.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Sparkly, very sparkly.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful, man.
Oh God, look at that. So assembly
Monday.
on Monday.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, man. Let me see a little sparkle here too.
Yeah, I don't know if you can
Oh,
get it there.
oh yeah. Oh, you got it. I got it right there. Oh, there it is. The weekend is here, huh?
Yes.
No work tomorrow, huh?
No, sir, not here.
You got a couple of days away from this project now until Monday, but
Yeah,
back on at 10.
yeah, it'll be finished. by
Reassembly right here.
then. Yeah.
Dude, I want to thank you and wish you a super nice
Anytime.
weekend. And you know, again, you guys are the best.
Yeah.
Honestly, thank you.
you.
Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate it, bro.
Thumbs up, brother. Have a good one.
You too.
Oh my God, Ben, Felix, unbelievable, dude. The pearl in that black and in the white now, so
It's awesome.
it's incredible,
Beautiful.
gorgeous,
Like
man. I'll put that together, that black and white now. Oh my God! So next week.
Wait till you see it driving down the road.
Assembly. Well, I'd like to see it driving down the road. Believe me. Wait till you guys see it driving down the road. Or maybe we can all. Maybe you can drive it. Not
I
once.
I see you guys driving all the time right here.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, now you're gonna see that. Oh, we are. Yeah, you might hear us before you see us. Actually, in many cases. Thanks, guys. I want to say again, thank you so much. I want to wish you a great weekend and an absolutely terrific job you're doing.
too.
Thanks,
Thank
man.
you.
Thumbs up.